Hi, Wolfie / Potato Chips. This is my lovely cousin, Chicky Nuggy, okay? We're calling him Chicky Nuggy. Or if you guys want to call him, we can call him Potato Chip. But we are calling him Chicky Nuggy because it's way better. Okay, so today's video, we're doing a not edited at all roleplay. So, no edits, no nothing. We're just doing a roleplay. So, do you want it to be cops and rappers? YouTube roleplay? Yeah, I feel like we do that a lot. If you guys don't know, a little fact about us is that we do roleplays all the time, so yeah. Yeah, like every time we play with each other, we do roleplays, no doubt. So how about we do store manager roleplay? Yeah, it kind of is. Family roleplay? Normal life / superpower roleplay? Okay, I don't know anymore. What? What? I honestly don't remember playing that, but let's do it. I don't know what that was, but wait, so you're gonna be the evil one? Okay, that's cool. Okay, cool. I'm prepared. I think so. Yeah. Why am I doing that? Guys, if you also know that one point why you should friend Potato Chip, I mean Chicky Nuggy, is that he laughs at all your jokes, okay? He will laugh even though he don't think it funny, okay? He will laugh at everything. Go friend him now. He's amazing. He's an amazing boy. Alright. So where are we going? Alright, let's do it. I think I remember this. Oh no. We were very dramatic in this roleplay. We could try this, Oh, yeah. But this time you're gonna be a pancake. Yeah. Yes, you're gonna be a mutant pancake. Not whoever heard of Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles? Not me. Don't know them. Oh, we got at the Dollar Tree Teenage Mutant Ninja pancakes. Yeah. Yeah, they're for $1.99. Yeah, if you want to, we've never heard of turtles before. You must be joking, right? I sound like Sniper Wolf on this top. You know that YouTuber Sniper Wolf that a lot of people talk about? No? 3 S's. Yes. I've never played on PlayStation. Is it sad that I don't play on PlayStation? Is that sad? I gotta agree on you with that. I used to own a Switch and I would play Fortnite on it, and it's pretty easy to play. Like you just hold down one button and it immediately just like shoots everywhere. Like if you were it's so much easier to do it on Switch and PlayStation because you just like press a button and it shoots everywhere. PlayStation and Nintendo Switch players, you are lucky. I have a Nintendo downstairs. Yeah. Hey, bro, I have a question. How many electronics do you have in your household? I have a lot. No, like how many in your whole household? Like phones and stuff. Okay. I want to say mine. How many me and my family own. Okay, 1, 2. Do speakers count as electronics? I don't know. I'm just going to count that. 3, 4. My dad has a PC too. 5, 6. 7, 8, 9. We have 9 electronics, including iPads, PCs, Nintendos, and stuff like that. And phones. Yeah, because I turned it on gold and stuff. Alright, let's start. Yes. I hear another llama. What is happening in this household? Guys, if you don't know, Maxie's my cousin. No. Why do I call you Maxie? No. That's not your real name. Your name is Chicky Nuggy. Okay, so he is my cousin. Yep, he my cousin. Because. I do not know because. Okay, let's start this roleplay. So, I'm going to, how about we do like, so the roleplay still paused. My dog just came in. Get out, Sue! Get out! Get out! Get out! I had to get my Pipple out. Also, by the way, guys, if you judge my Pipple, she's like kind of like a Pipple. She is very protective. She will not hurt anyone, like physically or mentally. She'll just bark. That's it. She won't harm anyone. She'll just warn us that there's people in the house. And then we deal with it. So, let's start this. So, I'm going to be having a fight with my boss. And he's just so in this role play, I'm going to have a fight with my boss. And then I'm just going to start throwing things. And that's how you're going to be born. Congratulations. Congratulations, it's a boy. Alright. Alright. Go in the fluid now. Go dive dimension. Okay, good job. Alright. Bye. Skirt. Skirt. Okay, this is not my office. This is not good. Actually, you know what? This is going to be my office. Okay, so that's going to be the boss's office. And I'm just going to be enjoying some donuts. New life of mine, enjoying donuts. Congratulations. You're a lazy hoe. Alright, let's do this. Alright. Do the roleplay. The 3, 2, 1, go. Alright. Alien activity? No. Error. No. Alright. You know what? I'm gonna ask for a raise today. Totally not suspicious fluid. Hey, Bash. Hey, Bass. I was wondering. Just pretend that there's a boss, guys. We don't have a boss here. Sad face. We're the only 2 players. Hey, Bass. Could I get a raise? Nah? Flip. Now I'm gonna throw these potions, minis, I don't know what you call them, into these fluid, and that's how you're gonna be born. Skirt. Hello. What's up? Hold up. What do you mean I can't have a raise? I've been working the hardest in this place. Saying he can't. That's it. Screw this place. Now it's your time to come out. Yes. Yeah. Whoa. Nope, 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 nope. Big bags and nopes. And now you chase me. Nope, 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 nope. Big bags and nopes. Help. Oh God, help. Ah! Sound the alarm. Ah, don't hurt me. Wait. Did anyone else hear this? Now everyone's looking like me, like I'm crazy. Great, I've created this. Oh, so you came out of the water from Shields? Oh, that was me. Oh, okay. Well, show me what you got, kid. Maybe we'll consider you as a team. Okay, show me what you got, bruh. Good enough. Good enough. Good enough. You're on the team. 2,000 years later. Okay, kid. Guess what? You're officially on the team. You're on the team. Congratulations. Congratulations. Now, who wants to train? Who wants to train? Okay, you? You want to train? Okay. 2,000 years. I did not damage property. That was you damaging property. Skirt! Alright. Alright, ready? Alright. We got our robots up in here. They look like people, so beware. Skirt! Nice. Round 2. Oh, I did not mean to throw that. Oops. Oops, I meant to shoot him. Oop. No, oop, oop, oop. Let's this. Let's do these. Skirt! Hey guys, I have a question, my potato chippies. Should I do a series where I hang out with Chicky Nuggy? Should I do it? Chicky Nuggy, how do you feel about this? Okay. Okay, he just said yes, you guys. Okay guys, so apparently, it crashed. So, yeah, my files crashed and it started glitching, so you know what I had to do? I had to delete some important information. So, my cousin and I have been discussing, and we are going to do a lot of videos with him in it. So, yes. Yes, I will play Fortnite with you. Yes. Yes. Okay.